Welcome to your Baby Delight Beside Me Dreamer. Before you begin, identify your Beside Me Dreamer model by checking the shape of the lower support bar. Then follow the assembly video that matches your model. Let's get started with the assembly. We begin with the sleeper frame. Lay the sleeper frame face down on a flat surface and open both of the frame legs outward. Next, we'll attach the feet. With the brake lever facing inward, push the foot into the leg. Be sure the plastic peg is locked into position. Repeat with the other foot and leg. Next, we'll attach the horizontal crossbar. With the buttons pointing towards the bottom of the crib, plug horizontal support bar into both legs until they both click into place. Now we'll assemble the two pieces that make the middle support frame and attach it to the sleeper frame. Insert the side rail into the middle support frame by lining up the buttons and holes until you hear a click. With the curved bar facing the top of the sleeper frame, insert middle support frame into the side slots until they securely lock into place. Now you can flip the sleeper frame over onto its feet. Place the cover over the front support frame and secure it underneath to the middle support frame with the 3-loop fasteners. We can now attach the mattress. Place the mattress inside the frame with the curved edge facing the curved edge of the frame. Press the mattress down until the plastic clips on the bottom of the mattress snap onto the middle support frame. We will next attach the height adjustment dial caps. Note the grooves on the height adjustment dial caps. You may need to rotate the cap until it keys itself in. Repeat on the other side. The bassinet should always be set to the same height on both sides. Now we'll show you how to use the bassinet while in sleeper mode. Start by first installing the anchors. Place the anchor straps between the mattress and box spring. Place the flat side of the bassinet up against the side of the bed. Buckle the anchor to the bassinet. Pull and tighten the strap until the anchor is fully snug. Now, repeat on the other side. Your Beside Me Dreamer is now ready to use in bedside sleeper mode. Thank you for choosing Baby Delight. Enjoy!